CK6150 1 meter long. The whole machine is produced according to exports, stable and debugging with strong heavy cutting ability, good accuracy, simple and easy to maintain. English dedicated system suitable for overseas. Mobile hand wheel for easy adjustment. 250 hollow hydraulic 3-jaw chuck and hydraulic tailstock. Pneumatic clamping for pneumatic tightening, fast and stable workpiece clamping. No need for manual locking. 8-station electric tool holder, enough stations with accurate position, quick tool change, effectively improving processing and productivity efficiency. Integrated casting body, stable cutting. Note this, the machine adopts a one-piece casting process. High quality export. The machine is suitable for pottery parts, hardware, and batch production. High rigidity, high precision, high fit, all configuration, ready to go into production. It's a preferred device, upgrade, and mass production.